Well, everybody, guess what? It is Monday, hey, Crystal, what's the date today? Monday the 7th, and we're getting ready to head out of the house, go get some stuff notarized, and then we got to go down to the doctor's office for Allie, and then we're heading off to the federal court building to file all the paperwork. So, yeah. Well, guys, here we are, right outside of the Russell Smith Courthouse. Yep, this is the federal courthouse right here. We just got done filing my case, and now we're probably gonna go get something to eat. We just went down and got Allie's haircut. Show everybody, Allie.
Hi.
Turn sideways and let everybody see it. Yeah. Well, guys, earlier when I just showed you that we went down to the courthouse, that was actually yesterday. And the strange thing is that we went down in the morning, we filed the case yesterday morning, and the clerk told me that, okay, we'll try to get it filed today. And that was yesterday. So today we just went out to eat something, and we got back home, and guess what was in the mail? There it is, right there. Voila. U.S. District Court, District of Montana. All right, now I'm not going to zoom in on here or anything, so you guys can read all the other crazy. Three pieces of paper here. Shows all the defendants. Has the case number, civil docket. Yeah. Wow. This is awesome. Yeah, that's just nuts how quick that happened. I filed it yesterday and then got my docket sheet today. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that the case is as far as I know, it doesn't necessarily mean that the case is accepted. I still need to send out a summons to the defendants, and I've already got those all printed up. This is my summons to let them know that, hey, guess what? I'm suing your ass. This here is the summons I'll be sending out. 2-page summons. Now, something that I didn't quite understand was earlier on, actually way earlier on, like a year and a half ago, when I first went in there and talked to them, they told me that the clerk's office handles all the service processing and stuff. You know, they're the ones who serve people, serve defendants and plaintiffs and all that kind of stuff. They're the ones who do all that. Well, they do that only, well, at least this office here does it. They only do that if you file in forma pauperis. So that's like filing for free. If you file for free, then they handle all the costs of the operation of the court. And you, the plaintiff, don't have to. So when I went in there yesterday and I asked them about it, they told me that but what I did is I went in there and I paid for the case. I didn't do it free, you know. I didn't go to the to access the court for free, you know. So I paid the filing fee and everything, and then they turned around and told me, well, since I'm paying the filing fee, I'm responsible for all the summons and everything. So I'm like, oh, great, all right. So I had to come back home here last night and do get on the internet and find somebody who would deliver the paperwork, because that's what the next action has to be done. Now that I've got this piece of paper here, I can send off that summons or a notice off to the defendants and let them know that I'm suing them. And then they will respond in return, and then I'm not really too sure what to do after that, you know. But technically, I've got 90 days to file to send them the summons. But, you know, chances are I'll probably be doing that in the next day or two. You know, I want this happening fast. I wrote my paperwork up in a fashion that was classified. I put all of my elements and all of my claims and everything all right away. So there's not really much room for discovery. Well, kind of on my end, you know, I don't have to really put much more into the case unless I want to amend it. But the only problem is that when you amend a case, you only have one opportunity to do it, at least in federal court, at least this type of case that I'm filing. You have only one chance to amend it. So you have to, throughout discovery, you have to figure out what you want to amend in your case while you go back and forth in between the attorneys or me and the attorneys. Then I'll be keeping notes of everything that I want to amend. So then when I go to amend my case, if I have to, or if I want to, which probably will, but I'll be packing in a whole bunch more stuff in there. But since you only have one chance to do it, you keep catalog of everything that you're going to amend and then put it into your case all at once. And you do that right before jury. No, but yeah. So now I'm going to be scouring the internet and trying to learn as much as I possibly can. There's a few YouTube channels out there that I do watch consistently, and hopefully if I can get in contact with them, then they can help me out a little bit, because that would be really nice. Because out of everything that what?
I need out.
You need what?
Out.
Oh, Allie. Mom needs you. Yeah, it's pretty cold here in Montana right now. Yeah. We got lots of snow. Well, maybe not lots of snow, but it's snowed, it's melted, it's iced over, then it snowed again, and yeah. Well, there's the full screen machine sitting right there. And there's the little Batmobile sitting right there. Yeah. Well, guys, it is Wednesday morning, and I'm getting ready to go down to the federal courthouse. I wrote up my summons, and I need to take it down there and have it initialized by, or signed by the clerk's office, have them look it over, and then I'll be coming back home here, and then later on today I'll be contacting the service processor, and then meet up with them, and then we'll be delivering it. Well, guys, I just got home, and there it is. Look at that. The official seal of the United States District Court. Montana, yeah. Filed on today, 19th, or the 9th. So this is happening really fast. I filed it on the 7th. I got the case number on the 8th, and then today I'm probably going to try to serve the summons today. But I got to call the guy who's going to be delivering the paperwork. So, well, guys, I just sent out the notice, the summons, and a copy of the complaint, and the report of the docket sheet. So, gave it to the service processor. He showed up here, and he said he was going to be dropping it off to them in a little while, and he's got to go home, and he's going to print up the affidavit, and then he'll be sending that, stopping back in here later on tonight to drop that off to me. So, yeah. So, the process has started. Yeah. I might do a live stream here one in the next few days. Probably Friday or Saturday. Maybe Saturday. Maybe. Not too sure. Depends upon how crunched I get on this stuff. So, yeah. Alright, so, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys later.